Aside from jet lag, emotional fatigue, and exotic illnesses, there is one other downside to the international jet trash lifestyle that most people don't consider. I'm talking, of course, about fridge space. As time goes on and as you go to more and more places, the real estate of your fridge fills up very quickly until finally you just run out of empty space. So what do? Do you get a new fridge? But that's not really going to work. This is what you do instead. Simply add images to the inside of the fridge. There. It's so simple, but I bet you never thought of it.